Welcome to Imperial CAD system. In this video, I'll show you planar and rigid joint in DMU Kinematics Workbench in Catia V5. So here is the product which has a 4 parts. On this, I apply rigid joint, a planar joint, and I do simulation on this product. Right now we are in assembly workbench. Go to start, DMU Kinematics. Here we have our DMU Kinematics workbench. Then first create mechanism, go into fixed part, new mechanism, go for OK. Select this vice base. Here mechanism is created. Then go for the joint. First apply rigid joint. Here you need to select 2 parts. So I select this vice and this support as a rigid parts. By selecting these 2 parts, these 2 are constant, and you can see simulation on this spindle and this block. I go for OK now. Go to Revolute joint. To this spindle, to this vice. See, line, I select the spindle axis. Then line 1, line 2, I hide this. Select the cylindrical axis. Then plane 1, I select this plane. Plane 2, show. Plane 2, I select this surface. Now angle driven should be checked on. I want to maintain the same offset distance. I don't want to contact this surface to this vice surface, so go to offset, let it be 20 mm. Now Revolute mechanism is simulated. We can simulate a Revolute joint. Then go for now screw joint. Line 1, spindle axis. Line 2 is already we have given joint to this vice. Now get into this block, right click, hide this spindle, then select inside cylindrical surface. Then pitch, we need to cube pitch. I keep in show mode. Then pitch. So this between distance is around 160. That I am going to give 160. Now in this simulation, the spindle rotates and this block reciprocates. Now we have to select planar joint. Plane 1 has this surface. Plane 2 this surface. So it has to slide inside this slot. So I selected 2 surfaces, then go for OK. Now mechanism can be simulated option we got. Then go for simulation. Select this mechanism, go for OK. We check its simulation. See, like this. See, simulation 160, whatever the pitch we have given 160 mm. Then see, you can simulate either this side, reset, or to the other side. So as there is no block this side, so we simulate in this direction only up to this spindle rotates and this slides and this block slides. See, then go for insert, keep this in 1. Then here you can reduce the speed by selecting this 0.01. Now see, go for play. Like this we can see simulation on this assembly. I change loop and I go for play. See here, I increase the speed. See here, to and fro it slides. Like this, we need to use this planar joint and rigid joint in combination of a cylindrical and screw joint. Go for OK. Again, if you want simulation, under application you can see mechanism, all 4 mechanism it requires, 4 joints. Then simulation, double click on that again, then play. Keep loop, change loop mode, reduce the speed, reduce its speed. See like this. Like this we need to use these joints to simulate this assembly. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, share and subscribe Imperial CAD system.